sun dipping low, roll the boots find us. 808 and engines hush, whistle winding through the hush. Old road beneath my feet is sus. Listen kid, this place shaped my spine. Shirt stained red from the work all night. Hearts get heavy, harder than pine. Plus a busted bike and rent due again. Look, brown dirt, rough miles got bent. Faith and mistakes on the back of a friend. That heartbreak carved like initials in a wood. She left hopes torn, I misunderstood. Wrote you a letter while lost in the mud. Shrews fall slow like rain that's never good. Sunsets burning up my doubts. Quick flashes, hear me out. Raised on dusty roads, finding new ways to roam. Gravel in my veins, but I carry hope back home. Writing every lesson down, I'm talking straight to you. Proud of how I'm built, honest through and through. Swerving old memories, headlights dim. Rusting out fear, let the bowl begin. Friday rolls in, boots hitting the ground. Bare knuckle laughs, flipping pain around. I'm chasing those miles with my brim pulled down. Freedom bred thick, I ain't made to drown. Truck kicking upwind, stubborn for truth. Breaking old patterns, young fire for youth. She said goodbye, I let her ride. Didn't chase, didn't lie. Just wrote one last page for my younger eyes. Taught myself loss ain't the end, it's why. Raised on dusty roads, finding new ways to roam. Gravel in my veins, but I carry hope back home. Writing every lesson down, I'm talking straight to you. Proud of how I'm built, honest through and through. Yeah, I'm talking straight to you. Keep the letter close when the night's grown cold. Just one last line, I never do what I'm told. Get. One tie spinning in that old red clay. Monday sweat stains never wash away. Toe in the gravel boot print on the run. Mile marker rusted in the setting sun. 6 a.m. haze, fire from my breath. Feels look sideways at the words I left. Talking to you now, got dirt in my veins. You know I change, you know I never change. Trapped in the grind, this day won't bend. Spirit in my lungs, corners never end. Speak to me plain, shout it with your hands. Peeking through these boards, you understand. Born dust, we don't break, we just bend. Raised on dust, we just bend, we never end. Raised on dust, call it out, let it spin. Say it loud, say it again. Raised on dust, raised on dust, raised on dust. Raised on dust, raised on dust, raised on dust. Raised on dust, we never quit. A leaf on the morning. Look, boots hang, tailgate clang. Friday blister and the bell ring. Backyard tangle with the bonfire smoke. Laugh to jump fences, jacked up joke. Speed trap sign in the pitch black ditches. Town line skip, just burn those bridges. Talk to me sideways, say my name twice. Windows down, spit dust on advice. Stripes on my seat, fading blue jeans. Full moon grins, grease on the seams. Can't box me up, can't stand my right. I write bold letters down every afternoon. Raised on, call it out, call it out, call it out, call it out, call it out. Raised on dust, call it out, call it out, call it out, call it out. Yeah, yeah. Raised on dust, we don't break, we just bend. Raised on dust, we just bend, we never end. Raised on dust, call it out, let it spin. Raised on dust, say it loud, say it again. Raised on dust, 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 never end. Raised on dust. Banjo picking, tire marks kicking, faded hum nights thicking. Bout sundown, 808s pounding, boots thumping ground, breathing in wind. Kicked up dust, heat stuck in my lungs. Running rough roads, low sun, wild tongue. Hands all busted, callous from the days. Work talk quick, life twist, never stays. Barely feel my fingers from the grinding. Small circles keep turning what I'm finding. Stain on my shirt, sweat drip, line no stop. Heartbreak, hard work, sitting on the blacktop. Old egg glance at my fake dirt cling. Chill wind, just Ralphie's ever known. Guess so, don't need nothing I own. Slide guitar riffing, trap snare ticking, building tension, feel the friction. Raised with a swagger, road out wide, shining on the edge, bonfire pride. Hands on the wheel, freedom alive. Country in my veins, ride all night. Lean in close, let these boots talk. Repeat the line, tailgate unlocked. Flex on the beat, smoke curl two-tone. Mud streak trucks, big grit, never long. Friday night, snakeskin boots, hat low. Quick laugh, side glance, all set to go. High beam, shoot, rattle a fence. Chill, hit, laugh, fade, you dip. Catching that feel quick. Old bar, swing, bass, banging friends. Grin, scores, run deep, line step, let the fun begin. Knuckle up, get that trouble away. Loose word, edge snap, crack a cold drink. Fast life, wild rides, boots thumping loud. Freedom burns hot, never blend with the crowd. Slide guitar, hard wind, sunset glide. Swear you hear the far hills calling with pride. Raised with a swagger, road out wide, shining on the edge, bonfire pride. Hands on the wheel, freedom alive. Country in my veins, ride all night. Leaning close, let these boots talk. Repeat the line, tailgate unlocked. Banjo ring out, time mark say. High slide leaving when you pack toy says. Get beast to gate like the night breeze day. Starting on the chase, marching never chase. Lincoln way now, try 'em all fade. Last line echo in the backwoods haze. Repeat, let the night cascade. Swagger in my chest, watch it never change. Banjo plucking dusty boots, guitar hum, sun sinking low. 808 creeps in slow. 04 Park by the fence line. Mud splattered Chevy, paint peeled off, sweat stained T-work to the bone. Hard heavy, miles from lost, thunder crack, pride overgrown. Boot heels red from 2-week runs, splinters caught deep in my thumb. Love got left on the porch one June, smoking regret like a drum. Hard truths, hard hands, no rest. Gravel spit under worn out tires, riding out aches in my chest. Only found peace in bonfire. Burn marks under my nails. Friday hope, pocket full of change. Twain cut sharp in the rain. Trails bitter as whiskey, wide open range. Slide guitar, snare rolls, building. Breath for what's next. Slow. Raised on dirt roads, I shine under sundown. Can't hold me back, this wild runs run down. Trucks lined up, tailgate swing, freedom sparks as dust lays in. Boots laced tight, cocaine clanks, barriers kinda wish within. Loose talk, old scars, my laugh. Friday night, starlit smash. Country pride stitched in my path. Swagger ride, shotgun never crash. Blacktop blur behind my dreams. Windows down, grit in my throat. Bonfire jump, chasing heat. Hands rough, still clutching hope. Losing wind in the same old town. Thunder song, not backing down. Dust in my lungs, spit it out. Shining fierce, sunburned crown. Raised on dirt roads, I shine under sundown. Can't hold me back, this wild runs run down. Yeah. Under sundown. Smoke floats up, wind keeps brewing. Late sun dip, sky just brewing. Kicking dust from the county line, work boots warm. Sweat stains along my shirt, grinding since dawn. Old Chevy sputters, but it never lets me down. Beer's warm, heart's cooler, watch the red fade brown. Scuffed up hopes, never gave them up. Mailbox stuff, bills keep stacking tough. Bonfire playing, cold air is coming soon. Mama hollering from the porch, dog starting to howl at the moon. Girl called off, says she ain't coming home. Songs keep playing, I'm driving alone. Friday night pulls me into gravel, chrome wheels spinning. Small town hitting, heart keep grinning. Feet out the window, let loose another sigh. Raised up slow and low, we pull off at the rest stop. Wait till the dust drops. Sunset in my rearview, can't make it stop. Bonfire burning wild, freedom never locked. One road comes and goes, chase what I got. Heavy snap, I steer with the wrist, toast to luck. Mud on my jeans, grins in the truck. De hilos rotos pero seguimos en el viaje. Boost on hard, sky split with light. Never beg for nothing but I grab my chance. Old scars itch where the trouble dance. Laughter cracks like thunder, echo in the breeze. Shoulder to shoulder we take what we please. Pocket change, burnt tips from the smoke. Lost keys, best laid jokes. Friday comes quick, smash the pedal and slide. Freedom ain't for sale and I never hide. Raised up slow and low, we pull off at the rest stop. Wait till the dust drops. Sunset in my rearview, can't make it stop. Bonfire burning wild, freedom never locked. One road comes and goes, chase what I got. Pull off, pull off, it never makes me stop. Wheel on the dash, steady moving. Pull off, never makes me stop. Wheel on the dash, steady moving. Pull off, never makes me stop. Steady moving. Wheel on the dash, steady moving. Pull off, never makes me stop. Friday night, stars around, moon is bright. Got my boots on, truck keys ready for the night. Dirt road calling, engine humming real low. Where I'm from, that's just how we roll. Back porch stories, grandpa's old guitar. Mama's sweet tea in a mason jar. Work weeks over, time to let it loose. Country living, that's my living proof. Keep that fire burning bright in the backwoods every night. Raised on mud, but we shine so clean. Living wild, living free. We keep that fire burning bright. Country hearts with that street fight. From the holler to the main street scene. That's just who we're meant to be. Tailgate down, cooler packed with ice cold beer. Friends roll up when the sun disappears. Got that attitude, swagger in my step. Small town kid, but I ain't settling yet. Pickup truck, lifted high off the ground. Bass thumping hard, that country sound. Saturday morning, church bells ring. Sunday afternoon, hear the guitar sing. Work hard, play harder, that's our way. Every season, every single day. From sunrise farming to moonrise fun. Country living till my race is run. We keep that fire burning bright in the backwoods every night. Raised on mud, but we shine so clean. Living wild, living free. We keep that fire burning bright. Country hearts with that street fight. From the holler to the main street scene. That's just who we're meant to be. Yeah! We sip at fire, garden and dine. Lay me back, doors let it remind. Baby's unknown, but the shot show clean. With a wild every frame, we keep that fire burning bright. Cozy hearts of every night. Roll my horn, tell me mace this sea. That's just who we're meant to be. We keep that fire burning bright in the backwoods every night. highway slow, creeping up, whistling low in dust, humming low, boots in dirt, smell that dust kick up. Shirt sticking to my back, 16-hour shift, sweat dripping off my brow, pockets talking stiff. Dad's advice echo loud, boy, make what you can. Sun beating on my dreams, callous hands and plans. Hard got stomped in July, she ran off with Joe. Got his daddy's Ford and cash hit the road real slow. Swore off love, but it slips round the fire each night. Old tracks, beer in hand, head held a little high. Let it burn, let it let it burn, let it build. Raised by the bonfire, stomp those boots real loud. Friday we ride, we own this proud. Dusty old roads, but my heart won't break. Freedom in my veins, I burn, I chase. I'm the kind of kid with a truck half rust, tailgate dry, full moon up. Friday comes, we stomp that ground. Blue scuffs, laugh loud. Bonfire lit, hat tip down. Girls spin, smoking round. Swagger sharp as a switchblade tongue. Shotgun seat, life unsung. Ain't got much but what I do fits right in this two-lane view. Feel the grit, we own this night. Swagger up, not slipping out of sight. Raised by the bonfire, stomp those boots real loud. Friday we ride, we own this proud. Dusty old roads, but my heart won't break. Freedom in my veins, I burn, I chase. Bonfires, always gon' shine. Raised by the bonfires, just let me fade. Raised by the bonfire, no plug plastic under the stars. The blacktop ends and a real world begins. Dust on my boots, sweat on my skin. County line signs and Friday night sins. Working these fields while the sun beats down. Small town talk in a one-light town. But I got bigger plans to staying around. They say I'm crazy, say I'm chasing smoke, but I ain't just another small town joke. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city bright. Country in my blood with that big city fight. Blood on my tires and fire in my soul. Taking backwood dreams to the big town road. Chevrolet stories and Saturday schemes. Bonfire nights feeding bigger dreams. Whiskey, courage, and moonlight beams. Got that swagger from the county fair. Flannel shirt, but I just don't care about fitting in with their city stare. They say I'm different, say I don't belong, but writing my own country song. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city bright. Country in my blood with that big city fight. Blood on my tires and fire in my soul. Taking backwood dreams to the big town goal. runs through these country veins, success washing off these dusty stains. Home is where the heart remains, but dreams don't die in small town chains. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city bright. Country in my blood with that big city fight. Mud on my ties and fire in my soul. Taking backwood drinks to the big time goal. Dirt road dreams, city bright. Dirt road dreams. Banjo plug, slow humming, boots hit the dust. Guitar scratches, wheat field, wind whistling up. 808 bump in my truck while the sun dips low. That whistle, that stomp, that's how the wild ones roll. Hey, you sitting shotgun, you know this town, stick with fight. Riding fence lines, working hard, sweating out daylight. Crack hands, torn jeans, heavy on the run. Small town chatter, but it never weighed a ton. This ain't heartbreak, still quick, flooding every dirt lane. Spill my heart, fake the grand, felt that country pain. We stack hate, count scars, keep it gritty, spit truth, cuss at the stars. Chase down what we can't lose. Like guitar slice, snare rolls, bill, let's go. Kicking up dust, double time feel. Raised up with mud on my boots where the wild wind rushes. Ain't no city shine, it's a pride that's rugged. Rolling back roads, bonfire blazing at night. Telling you straight, we free till the morning light. Friday night flex, I pull up, truck muddy bass, heavy stomping, worn boots. Call it home, never fancy catches fishing for trouble. With a wink and a nod, or feel lullaby. Still and smoke from the quad. We holler, we howl, think we own every mile. Spit jokes, toss cans, flash a crooked wild smile. Remember how you promised you never roll solo. Both of us talk big, but you know how it goes. Raised up with mud on my boots where the wild wind rushes. Ain't no city shine, it's pride that's rugged. Rolling back roads, bonfire blazing the night. Telling you straight, we free till the morning light. Guitar fade, 808 slow, you hush, breathe deep. Repeat last line, just us, a big sky sweep. Telling you straight, we free till the morning light. Telling you straight, we free till the morning light. Telling you straight, we free till the morning light. Whistles, slow wind blows, 808 beating out low, hum beneath it all. sunset fades, dust in the air, back road stretching, sky rush red, brick and gravel, boots full of lead. Saw you standing by the old feed shed, small town smile, heartbreak unsaid. Days run together, work never ends, counting miles with a few real friends. Voice in the wind where memory bends. You wave at me, but we pretend. 808 stutter, snare rolls in. Pick up the tension, what's underneath my skin. Gaze on the long haul, chasing down the sun. I won't let go till the long haul's gone. Yeah. The engine roaring through the dust, full tank, no plan. Friday night freedom, dirt on my hands. Friday night sinking, burn through the cash. Laugh in the haze, call it gone in a flash. You said forever, I grin and I clash. Rolling on, the dust never stays. You were the thunder, I'm caught in the blaze. Every mile heading out, stuck in the phrase. You're everywhere, caught up in my gaze. Raised on the long haul, chasing down the sun. Time spinning, hoping I won't come undone. Dirty shoes and a stubborn heart, always on the run. Till the long haul's done. I won't let go. I won't let go. I won't let go. Till the long haul's done.